Hi, I'm Damon Crowhurst. I'm here in Great Portland Street, London for Digital Art Week London. We're showcasing at the Ideaworks Experience Centre the Ventana incredible LED display with the Blackdove digital content management platform for digital art.
And this is a exclusive first time in Europe?
Yeah, absolutely. This is the very first installation of a Ventana LED outside of the Americas. And we are very excited as Blackdove to be able to showcase two of our incredible artists, Yuma and Ryan Koopmans, with their incredible work on such a digital canvas.
So what does the Blackdove do?
So Blackdove is a bit like Spotify, but for digital art. We have a platform that enables artists to upload their incredible works, and then it gets distributed out to a network of displays around the world to Blackdove subscribers.
All right. So that could be the best way. If you have a great display, let's say you get a Ventana in your residence or in your meeting room, and then you can have that subscription to
Absolutely.
Yeah?
So if you're a high net worth individual or someone like myself who just has a Samsung screen at home, you can have digital art on any digital canvas.
And it supports 8K,
Yeah,
all these
absolutely.
kind of resolutions?
So it really depends on what your canvas is. You know, this is a fantastic 4K canvas. It's 10 tiles by 8 Ventana tiles, running content at 4.5K.
2880, high 3660 or something like that, the resolution. So it's actually more than 4K.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right now, right?
Yes, correct, sir.
Yeah, all right. And a smooth streaming of all this content? Like it's a high bitrate, high quality, because you want to have high bitrate, great compression, and not have any artifacts from the technology,
Absolutely.
right?
So what's really exciting is when the artists came in today to put their artwork on here for the first time, their eyes were literally aglow. They had never seen their artwork at such a beautiful resolution on such an incredible canvas.
And so here, the Digital Art Week, hopefully there could be a lot of people coming next few days here.
Absolutely. So Ventana, Blackdove, and Ideaworks, we're hosting a VIP evening tomorrow. We have over 60 digital art collectors coming for the evening. They're going to be exposed to this incredible setup. And of course, you know, we'll hopefully have some opportunities to sell our Ventana LED.
If you mind, can we try to switch did you want to have the other half?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see if we can. Let me come in this secret background here, and I'll come out. And here's the second artist here for this event.
Yes. So here we're showcasing Ryan Koopmans' work, which is quite spectacular, really very calming and helping you in your environment. What's really interesting about the Blackdove platform is that we're not just here for digital artists. We're also a platform that enables galleries to put up their artists' artworks and get that out to the digital canvases across the Blackdove network, which is in excess of over 3,000 displays worldwide today and growing rapidly. Additionally, we work with a lot of the art fairs. So if any of you watching actually attended Digital Art Week, Dubai Art Week recently, Blackdove ran the whole digital art collection there for the artists and the galleries. And very shortly, we'll be in Switzerland doing the digital mile for Art Basel.
And how do you like this display compared to all the other displays?
Look, you know, one display is very much like another display, as my wife always says. However, as a connoisseur of the best, artists and collectors really want to see their artwork on something that is spectacular. Now, what's really good about the Ventana platform is that it's 1,000 nit brightness, which means you can put it in your living room lounge. It doesn't have to be nestled away in a dark room. But even more importantly, with the concerns around conservation and saving the planet today, the Ventana system is about 1/3 of the power usage of any similar LED solution on the market.
Nice. That's a big concern about the power consumption if you want to run it like 24/7 or at least during opening hours for many, many years,
Absolutely.
hopefully.
So, you know, the sort of places you're going to start seeing Ventana is architectural installations, hotel suites at the very high end of the market. And there, with a product like Ventana, which uses 45 kilowatts of power per tile on the 0.8 millimeter pixel pitch or 25 on the 1.2, we can have some really dramatic cost savings around the cost of running a solution like this.
And you were saying 1,000 nits. right now we're in an indoor environment, but so this could totally be like in a daylight situation.
Absolutely.
A gallery that has beautiful windows out to the beautiful nature, but have this as a merge this
Absolutely.
into that,
I
right?
mean, actually, the Ventana team, when you speak to them, they really want to see this in well-lit environments, corporate lobbies, for example, with an architectural digital piece. Yes, it's spectacular when you have it as a home cinema in a dark room, but it's also incredibly amazing in a well-lit environment.
And you could have it like with an amazing nature behind, and then add, for example, this piece right here that, enhances where the location.
Yeah, and it may sound a bit odd, but I see digital art having a huge role to play in places like hospitals, where people are trying to recover from a traumatic incident, for example, or a surgery that's quite life-changing, and having the ability to have calming, influential artworks on display is going to be a key part of the environment and spaces.
Nice. So the near future is going to be exciting with this technology arriving to Europe.
Well, I think what's really, really interesting is, just very quickly, we'll show you the tile itself. This is a megapixel Ventana tile. It's wafer thin, which makes an incredible difference on installations. It's very robust as a platform. People can touch it. You don't have to be concerned about damaging any diodes, pixels, etc. And really, the 300 by 300, it's designed to be architecturally friendly. So any artist who's used to, for example, specifying marble surfaces can now specify a Ventana surface.
And it's super easy to just put it on the magnets.
Absolutely. And there you go.
And they automatically connect.
Yeah.
It's kind of amazing.
Power and data through the bottom, absolutely incredible.
So it actually also makes it easier to set up all these potentially thousands of new setups that need to be set up all over Europe.
Yeah, absolutely. So if you're an AV integrator, for example, you want to be in and out as fast as you can on an installation, but with never compromising the quality of the installation. Ventana has made that super, super simple.